continue with the supply chapter, and today in this class we are going to do with your numericals. So in our syllabus we have only one method, that is percentage or proportionate method. Now it sounds two different your methods, but this is only one and the same method. So from your percentage method we derive the proportionate method. So let's start. Now elasticity of supply is equal to your percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in. Now what is this percentage change in quantity supply? Percentage change in quantity supply is equal to change in quantity supply. अगर मैंने कहीं पे quantity भी लिखा होगा तो don't get confused, it is one and the same thing. So change in quantity supply divided by supply into 100. Now what is this change in quantity supply? This change in quantity supply will be denoted by change in QS. This delta is the sign of change. We have done in demand also. So QS into 100. Now how we calculate this QS? QX is equal to Q1 minus Q. Now what is Q and Q1? Q stands for original quantity and Q1 stands for new quantity. So we can write that Q1 minus Q upon Q into 100 is equal to change in QS upon QS into 100. So what is the formula for change in quantity supply? Change in quantity supply is equal to change in QX upon QX into 100. And how we calculate QX? QX we calculate Q1 minus Q, which Q1 stands for new quantity and Q stands for your original quantity. Similarly, we have change in price. Now this percentage change in price is equal to change in price upon price into 100. Now what is this change in price? Change in prices, which is denoted by again delta P, you can see here. This delta P is calculated P1 minus P upon P into 100. Similarly, it was Q1 minus Q. Here it is going to be P1 minus P. Now what is this P and P1? P1 stands for initial or old price. P stands for initial and old price. And your P1 stands for the new price. So elasticity of supply is equal to change in Q upon Q into 100. With what was this? This was percentage change in quantity supplied. And second, change in P upon P into 100. Now what is this? This is percentage change in price. 100 के साथ 100 की cutting हो जाएगी. So we have change in Q upon Q. So change in Q upon Q and change in P upon P, which can be written as change in Q upon Q into P upon change in Q. So this method is considered to be your percentage method and this formula is considered to be your proportionate. So these are one and the same thing. Now where to use which formula? That is very simple. So if the values are given in percentage, then we are going to use this formula, that is percentage change in quantity supply. If the values are not given in your this, you can use this formula. आप दोनों में से जब भी निकालोगे आपका आंसर सेम आएगा. चाहे परसेंटेज वाले को इससे निकालो, यू नीड टू चेंज, और या इस वेल में से वैल्यूज़ को परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट कर लो, देन ऑल्सो यू नीड टू. Different types of methods, different types of numerical, sorry. So if this is the first type, in this cases both terms are given in percentage, that if price rises by 30%, quantity supply rises by 60%, calculate this formula. This comes for 1 marks hardly. The formula is percentage change in quantity supply upon percentage change in price. Values put kari and we got the answer. This elasticity of supply is equal to 1, which is greater than 1. You need to mention this elasticity. We have done the degrees, so we need to mention this. Now type 2. In type 2 is elasticity is given to you. 1% is given to you. You need to find the second one. So formula is again percentage change in quantity supply upon percentage change in price. Quantity supply हमें नहीं दी हुई है, so we write it down x. Elasticity of supply हमें दी हुई है 2, we write it down 2. Percentage change in price is 30, so we write it down 30 here. So percentage change in quantity supply is 60%, that is 30 into 2. This is the third type now. In this, simple values are given to you. If price rises from 30 to 40 and quantity supply rises from 50 to 80, फॉर्मूला सबसे पहले लिखेंगे हम लोग, दैट इज पी अपॉन क्यू इंटू चेंज इन क्यू अपॉन चेंज इन पी. अब यहाँ मैंने क्यू एस की जगह क्यू लिखा हुआ है, सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज प्लीज. पी क्या होती है? पुरानी वैल्यू, ठीक है. 40 है हमारी नई वैल्यू, सो दैट इज P1 इज 40 एंड P इज 30. योर Q इज 50 एंड Q1 इज 80. सो वी कैलकुलेट चेंज इन P. चेंज इन P इज 10. वो कैसे निकला? 40 माइनस 30. change in Q is 30. वो कैसे निकला? 80 minus 50. So elasticity of supply is equal to P upon Q into change in Q upon change in P. We put the value. What was the value of P? 30. Q की value कितनी थी? What was the value of Q? 1 minute please.